Hello, my name is Joe Hopkins, CPA, based in Texas, although we do work in all 50 states across the United States. I help people resolve their IRS past taxes. IRS past goes to the past, I call it. Also process individual tax returns and for the corporate and business and do tax planning into the future. Today I wanted to talk about the IRS forgiveness of taxes, so to speak, that you might be hearing out there. And let me shoot you straight, right? There's very limited options to get forgiveness of taxes. One of those options is an offer and compromise. I had just had another video earlier specifically on offer and compromise, but an offer and compromise is one of those cases where you can get forgiveness of debt. Although only about 2 or 3% of the cases fall into this type of category, I did want to mention that. So other forgivenesses of debts could be late filing of certain tax returns for certain specific reasons. There's a form that we can fill out to possibly generate some failure to file penalties and get those abated. There's also some other abatement tools that we can implement. However, I don't want to give a misnomer. It's not going to move the needle a whole bunch in regard to some of these failure to file penalties and things like that. It's really the failure to pay penalties and variable interest rate costs that build up over many, many years. That's the main culprit in creating a large IRS tax debt along the way. So getting some of these failure to file penalties, removed, yeah, it'll move the needle a little bit, but I want to shoot you straight. So anyway, but we can get you into an installment agreement plan, or possibly you might qualify for a hardship program where you don't have to pay anything back at all. Just a few seconds on the hardship program. Hardship programs do not get rid of the debt, right? You may be in a position where you don't have the ability to pay back the debt right now. You just have barely enough money to cover your living expenses, so to speak. And this is not driving a Maserati, right? Well, the Maseratis don't count as barely being able to survive, right? They have standard allowances that they allow for the counties and states that you live in. Obviously, the standards of living out in California are a little bit higher than they are in, Texas and some other states. So, yeah, come on over to Texas. Come on over to Texas. Anyway, get in touch with us. We can answer any more questions for you. And God bless. And from the beautiful beaches of Mazatlan, we bid farewell, and notice all the construction in the background. Lots going on in Mazatlan. I welcome everybody to come visit. Don't be scared away. And see you soon. Please like and subscribe, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.